Hello viewers, welcome back to Pinglak's tutorials. So viewers, today we will continue the topic the Hindu vocabulary and we will learn some more vocabulary in this video. Envisage means parikalpana, meaning imagination, synonym contemplate, anticipate, expect, foresee, antonym believable, verifiable, factual. We can use it like you must envisage realities. Leeway meaning swatantrata, meaning freedom, synonym allowance, scope, permissible, antonym restrictions, constraint. We can use it like my boss grant me leeway to make my own decisions. Unanimous meaning in Hindi सर्व सहमति. In English all agreed. Synonym with one accord, one and all. Antonym exception, divided, at odd. We can use it like the leader was unanimously elected and won as well. Conducive meaning in Hindi अनुकूल and in English possible, likely. Synonym certain, favorable. Antonym counteractive, destructive. We can use it like we need a conducive working environment to work with. Conclave meaning in Hindi गुप्त सभा. In English private meeting, assembling. Synonym conference, gathering, council. Antonym crowd, mob, multitude. Use the conclave of politicians was held on Friday to discuss some important things. Miffed means नाराज होना. Meaning in English displeased, annoyed. Synonym upset, hurt, irked. Antonym gratified, pleased, pacified. Use I was a bit miffed when they did not invite me to the party. Bicker means ladai, meaning quarrel, argue. Synonym spat, fight, dispute. Antonym agree, cope, compatible. Use the two boys were always bickering with each other over their toy guns. Paradoxically means virodhabas, meaning contradictory. Synonym opposite, contrast, divergent. Antonym consistent, compatible. Use the aim of education is complex and sometimes contradictory because कुछ लोगों का कहना है कि पढ़ने से हमें एक अच्छी जॉब मिल जाती है बट इट इज़ नॉट मोर देन इनफ. एजुकेशन के साथ हमें संस्कार एंड मॉरल वैल्यूज़ की भी ज़रूरत है. तो दिस इज़ वाई द एम ऑफ एजुकेशन इज़ कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड समटाइम इट इज़ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी. Benevolent means भलाई करना, meaning kind. Synonym compassionate, benign, gracious. Antonym selfish, greedy, mean. We can use it like he is always benevolent towards his countryman. Pacify means शांत करना, meaning calm. Synonym relax, appease, silence. Antonym provoke, inflame, instigate. Use he tried to pacify the mob. Another one is try to pacify the child. He is being crying for hours. I hope आपको ये vocabulary समझ में आई होगी and sure you will use in your common parlance to learn more, and we will meet soon with another lecture. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy and keep learning. And please, if you want some more topic to learn, please mail me at pinglaks.tutorial@gmail.com, and you can also comment me in the comment box. Thank you.